Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just got my June by the Poolside Glossy Box in, so we're going to jump into a full review and unboxing of all of the products inside of my Poolside Paradise Glossy Box for the month of June. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the Poolside Paradise Glossy Box with me, stay tuned. Okay, so this is not part of the box, but I did get 2 of the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide Unflavored Dietary Supplement in my box. It's not in here, so I think it's just like one of the gifty things that they give every month. So I'm not going to factor this into whether or not the price of the box reflects the value of the box, but I have used these in the past. They taste fine, they dissolve, and they're really not like, sometimes these get really chalky when you use like a collagen supplement, but these ones don't. But I'm still not sure if taking collagen is a thing. Like, I know collagen's important, but does ingesting it actually help you? I am still not convinced, but it tastes fine, so if it's going to help, that's awesome. Anyway, jumping into the actual box of everything that is included in this variation. Hello, Glossies! We have been dreaming of a fun and relaxing summer all year, and it's finally here. It is time to get some sun, cool off in the pool, and enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Whether you're going on vacation with your family or hanging by the pool with friends this month, Poolside Paradise is filled with products to help you beat the heat. I live in Florida. Beating the heat is really important because it's hot all year round, and then it's like really gross June, July, and August. So it's definitely a lot hotter and more humid than anywhere else ever, always. So I definitely can use some of these products. First item out of the box is from Seed Phytonutrients. It is a moisturizing conditioner. Massage 1 to 2 pumps into clean, wet hair. Rinse after 1 minute. This vegan silicone-free formula is designed to replenish dry, coarse, and damaged hair. Organic meadow foam seed oil provides a deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair, while mango butter helps dry ends and flyaways. Retails for $18. I'm really excited to try this because it is a cleaner formula. You know I do like to use cleaner products in my hair, especially because I'm waiting for my curls to get back. I just recently lightened my hair. We went a little ashier, and I will actually show you what it looks like when it's not pinned up. But unfortunately, because I did lighten it, my curls are not where they need to be. So looking for hydrating products like this is actually going to be really helpful for me, so I can actually go back to wearing my hair curly. As for the meadow foam seed oil and the mango butter, there are 2 products I've recently fallen in love with those ingredients. So I'm really excited to try it because as an ingredient, they're amazing products. So I've already done reviews on both of these, but the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen contains meadow foam seed oil, and the BeautyForReal Golden Hour Palette contains mango butter. So right now, the fact that 2 of the products that I have been reaching for day in and day out and am really loving both have the same ingredients from the conditioner leads me to believe that this is going to be an awesome product, so I can't wait to try this out. I do say this in every video, but until you consistently try something, you don't know if it's going to work for you. 28 to 60 days with skincare, you know the drill. So for just future reference, any of the products in these videos that I talk about but I don't actually try on camera, at the end of every month, I do a favorites and flops video where I talk about the products I tried throughout the month, whether they worked or they didn't. So if I didn't try something in a video, make sure you check out that video at the end of every month. It is my last video of every month. So on June 30th, that video will go up, and anything that I didn't try on camera, you can check out in that video, and I will go over a full in-depth review since I'll have a little more time to try it, whereas this is more of an unboxing, just going through what's in here, and if it's something I can try in the moment, I will, but for the most part, they're things that need a little more time. Next product out of the box comes from Now Bay Cosmetics. This is a full size. It is the Freedom Low pH and Green Tea Cleanser. The first step to any skincare routine, both day and night, is cleansing, formulated to delicately remove dirt and daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle. This vegan, cruelty-free gel cleanser will leave your skin feeling refreshed without stripping away any of your natural oils. Retails for $18.20. Gently massage into damp skin and rinse with lukewarm water. Definitely something I will be happy to try out. I'm just checking the ingredients quickly. Okay, so this does have quite a bit of stuff in here that'll be great for the skin. It is water-based. There's aloe in here, glycerin, which is very hydrating, citric acid, so there is vitamin C to lighten, brighten, and tighten. It is, just based on what I'm seeing, more of a gentle cleanser. So this is something that if you're looking for exfoliation or you're looking for a little more of a deep cleanse, you might want to pair it with another option. One such option would be the Biossance Squalane BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. I really like how it makes my pores feel really refined, and it's definitely a little more exfoliating. So that might be something to pair with a cleanser like this to make sure you're getting that deep, deep cleanse without it overly stripping the skin, because BHAs and squalane are hydrating and great for the skin. So that might be a good pair product. So Biossance sent that over, but this isn't sponsored. I just like, you know, pairing ingredients and products together. Next up, from Piper Way, this is a deluxe mini of their natural deodorant, 100% recyclable. Pro tip, rub into the skin with your fingers until clear, reapply after bathing or exercising. It is a natural deodorant cream. I'm telling you right now, I'm not applying deodorant with my fingers. I think that's gross. So I'm going to drop that right in a giveaway because I will not be using it at all. I do use a natural deodorant. The one I like is from the Beauty Counter. It has refillables. I reviewed it a couple months ago. I am still using that brand. I'm on my third refill, so I'm definitely enjoying that one. So I am going to pass on this one. But the ocean waste plastic product from Piper Ways, equal to about 10 plastic bags out of the ocean. This activated charcoal deodorant is formulated with clean ingredients to melt into your armpits, absorb moisture, and provide long-lasting odor protection, making it sustainable and effective. This is a deluxe mini that retails for $6. Again, I am not applying deodorant with my fingers. I find that gross. So I'm going to pass on that. From Pilly Annie, this is a deluxe mini size, so it is an $8 retail value. This is the Ageless Concentrate, including rare extracts found only in the Bicol region of the Philippines. Powerful formula was created to nourish skin deep from within. This oil concentrates have anti-aging benefits, while the elemi oil extracts have firming properties, leaving the skin smooth and supple. Gently pat 2 to 3 drops all over your face and neck, and then follow with a moisturizer. This has coconut oil in it, so it is not a product that I can use. You know I am sensitive to coconut, so that is an ingredient that I have to pass on. So not a product I will use. Again, allergies are important. It causes me to break out and gives me hives, so not something I want to put on my face. It's weird though. I can eat coconut and I can use it in my hair care products, but on skincare, causes an issue for me. And the last product is from Josephine Cosmetics. This is the Do You. It is a liquid highlighter in the shade Claire. Swipe onto skin, blend with fingertips into cheeks, nose, brow bone, or eyelids for a subtle, fresh finish. Illuminate your best features with just one swipe of this Luxe Natural Complexion Enhancer infused with skin-nourishing green tea extract, primrose, and luminous radiance pearls that capture and reflect light for healthy, dimensional, sun-kissed, glowy, dewy finish. Retails for $36. I have no makeup on, but let's put a little bit on and see how it works. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of this, and I'm going to apply, I'm going to put a tiny bit on the high points of the cheeks, and I'm just going to start there and see how that works. I am going to blend that in with my finger. It's definitely more of a true highlighter, so not something I would recommend for a no makeup day like I'm doing. Probably something you'll want to do a little bit more with actual makeup on, but it's giving me a little bit of a glow. I was very hydrated before I tried that because I did a lot of skincare earlier today. So I'm going to have to set this aside and try this in a makeup video. I have to film one later today anyway. So I'm going to set this in my products to try on camera box, which is right there. And we'll see how it works a little bit better. But the pigment is nice. It does offer a little more glow than I had before, so we'll have to see how it works with makeup and go from there. So all in, the GlossyBox box for the month, if I was to look at the products that I'm interested in and would try, it's about $36 in value, because these are the only 2 products that immediately I want to try. I'm allergic to this one, obviously, and the deodorant was a pass for me. And then we have a $36 maybe with the highlighter. So definitely a box where I got the minimum value out of it. You know, with all of these boxes, if I get the amount out of the box that covers the value of the box, whether it's an $18 box like this one or a $50 box like a Boxy Luxe, if I get that minimum value out of it, it is a pass of a box for me, because I don't want products I already know I love. I want to try things that I've never tried before, just like these 2 products. So for me, that's what I look for in these boxes. So since I definitely got more than the price of the box in value, it is a win for me. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!